Hi everyone, just a list of the non-kosher birds here from the Bible itself. It's beautiful in this museum. This out. Absolutely beautiful. It's got over here. All the different non-kosher birds. Let's have a few highlights. First of all, there's the heron, as they call it in English. There's the eagle, owl, the little owl. The nightjar. The roller. The hoop, the bat. These are all non-kosher birds. The crow, the buzzard, the snake eagle also, and the griffon, a vulture over here. Absolutely amazing. This comes from a pasuk in Parshat Shmini, in chapter number 11, 13 to 19, listed over here.